Living things. Things that are alive are called living things. They need air, water, and food. They have ability to reproduce themselves. There are many kinds of living things on Earth. Example are animals and plants. Things that do not need air, water, and food are non-living things. Living things need air. We take in oxygen from the air during breathing. Oxygen helps to burn the food that is inside our bodies. This makes energy for our body. Taking oxygen into the body is called breathing. Fish takes oxygen from water in which they live. They breathe through their gills. Animals living on land breathe through their lungs. Plants breathe through tiny holes in their leaves. These tiny holes are called stomata. Insects breathe through small holes on the side of their bodies. Plants use water to make their food. Water helps plant to stay upright. If we do not water a plant, it dries up and dies. Living things need food. All living things need food to stay alive. Food gives them energy to grow and to stay healthy. Energy keeps their bodies moving and working. Food also repairs parts that have become worn out. Living things can move. A fish swims in water using its tail and fins. A bird flies in air using its wings. A frog hops on land using its legs. A snake glides on land using its body. All living things have babies which growing and look like their parents. A plant has flowers which make seeds. Seeds grow to make new plants. Non-living things. Light, water, soil, temperature, and air are non-living components of the environment. Light, water, temperature, wind. Light. Sun is the biggest source of light and energy. Plants make food using sunlight. Water. All living things need water to live. If there is less water, there will be less number of plants and animals in that environment. Plants grow in soil. Some animals live in soil. Soil provides food to plants. About 1/3 of the air consists of oxygen. There are many gases like oxygen, carbon dioxide, and nitrogen. Plants use carbon dioxide to make food. This food is used by animals. Animals and plants use oxygen for respiration.